I love being a Fox student. I feel like Fox has given me so many opportunities to succeed. It feels like every day I'm being sent a link to some internship to apply for, and this club you can join, and you can do so many different things here.
My experience at Fox has been one that is successful and inclusive. Not only have I had the chance to network with other students like me here, but I've also had the chance to have mentors from my professors and faculty advisors.
What Fox has taught me is to really jump out of your comfort zone. That's been huge for me, developing myself for my future career. I'm very grateful for my experience at Fox. There's just so many people that really care about what you're doing. I've spoken with professors my whole time here, and they're not only critical in helping me develop myself professionally, they are also super supportive, and I couldn't thank Temple more for that.
Day one, I knew that the professors were great, they were personable. We had TAs in all my classrooms. They actually care about your input. The support is here, you know? That's why it's so easy for us to really get internships and networking opportunities, because all of that is provided here in Fox.
The beauty of the business school here at Temple is it gives you the opportunity to grow into whatever mold you want to end up becoming. You have the resources and the structure and the guidance to help go out into the world and discover opportunities that you really want to pursue. I think the structures and the guidance systems in place here through professors and through just the community as a whole, it helps you discover what you want to be and then gives you the tools to unlock that freedom.
One of the best things that Fox does is it actually encourages the students to take advantage of the Center for Student Professional Development. It essentially just prepares the students in the most professional way possible so that we can present ourselves to employers and really land that internship or job that we are seeking to build our resume furthermore.
Fox offers a lot of different professional development activities that really help you succeed. Some of my favorite ones have definitely been the career fair. It provided a more informal way of connecting with employers.
I think that Fox has helped me stand out because they kind of emphasize having like real world experience. They really want you to build out like the practical application of what you learn in your classroom.
I think a lot of collaborative effort goes on in Fox, and that really helps me for my career, because if I work with other people, I go into the workforce already having that experience.
The vast majority of professors that I've had went above and beyond teaching you the material, being fair with their grading, and always making sure that they want you to get the topic, they want you to get a good grade, they're there to help you.
There is going to be a faculty member that has been in your shoes, and just being able to learn from them and having them as a mentor for the future is just a really great opportunity.
I think overall my experience at Fox has really been excellent. Being able to meet with my teachers and them being very accommodating to just what I'm learning now. I've already implemented it in day-to-day life.
Fox does a really good job of helping with networking, especially at SPOs. They have business professionals come in every week. You get to meet them, network with them, and just expand the pool of people you know.
I'm part of a lot of different student professional organizations. They offer things like mock interviews or resume development workshops. They're a good way of just building out your professional network, but they're also a good way of meeting other like-minded students and building a network from university.
From the moment I joined Fox, I joined our student professional organizations, and I would definitely say my experience like in the Fox Fund and Owl Fund and the rest of the Temple Finance organizations has been the most rewarding experiences. And I'll actually be joining Citigroup post-graduation in New York City. And without what I gained in those internal organizations, I probably would not be where I am today.
I believe that the Fox School has really encouraged me to take the reins over my own education, to discover my interests, to ask questions.
My experience at Fox has been really good. I was able to create friendships as well as gain opportunities through clubs and courses. It made a positive experience for me.
I think my experience here at Fox could be summarized in one word, and that word would be grateful. I'm grateful for all these opportunities to be in these leadership roles, to have the internships that I was able to have, and really to just be in the environment around my colleagues that have really pushed me to excel and succeed in the classroom.